How to play Rust single player. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To start a single player Rust server on PC, you can actually create your very own client server. In order to do so, you need to navigate to your files from the zip folder. In there, locate the command file which ends up with the ds suffix. You will see a command prompt displayed to you with list of server that is available for you. Now before you create your server, you need to get yourself your Steam ID and also your owner ID. However, you need to convert it. To convert your Steam ID, you can search for a website called steamid.io. For that, type in your browser steamid.io. Here, you have to enter your Steam ID and tap on Look Up to get it convert. Once you get your very own owner ID and Steam ID converted, now you need to open up your Rust single. While it is running on the background, press the F1 key to open up. Now, just like that, a command prompt will pop up. From here, you need to enter the default path that comes with the zip file to join the server. Just enter the command client.connect localhost : and your Steam ID or your owner ID. By this way, you'll be able to create your very own server to play Rust in a single player mode. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.